Welcome back to your teacher dashboard page here at the International Economic Summit website. As you can see that you have registered 7 teams to play in the International Economic Summit. And what we're going to do right now is select our countries for the teams. To do that, you simply click on this little link right here that says Select Countries for Teams. That takes us to the team selection page. The website is going to force you into selecting the correct number of countries in each of the categories so that the summit overall stays balanced. We're going to need to select 2 high-income countries first. So let's select Finland and Spain. And then 2 middle-income countries. How about Mexico and South Africa? And 3 low-income countries. How about Bolivia, Dominican Republic, and Vietnam? Then we can confirm. And it says your countries have been confirmed, and you will see that your countries show up here on the map as green. Other countries that have been chosen by teachers show up as blue, and then countries still available show up as gray, and then ones we don't use in the summit are actually a dark gray. Now you have your countries, so what's the next step? You have to add students into those countries. Now for this, you're going to need your student roster, so you have their first and last names and their emails. So let's go ahead and put in some students. You're going to go to your team's assignments and reports, and this will show you a list of your countries. If you click on one, you're going to see it doesn't have any students in there. So let's add a student. First name. Now, as you can imagine, we have a large database of student names. And so if we encounter one that has already been used, it's going to give us an error. If you input the student's email, they will get an automatic email with their username and password, and you don't have to manually give that out to them. Once you have your students listed in here, you just hit Submit Students, and yes, a student with that username already exists. So we're going to choose a different name, and we're going to say, how about that? And I think you have to re-enter the password. Now, jsmith@hotmail.com will get a notice with their username and password to our website. And it's also handy if you give us their email. When they reset their own password, if they forget it, they automatically get that email sent to them, and you don't have to be involved in that loop. So we'll go back to the team page, and you can see we have Johnny Smith under Bolivia, and then he'll be able to log in as soon as he gets that email and start working.